Do the laundry. Do the laundry は洗濯するという意味です。I took a day off to run an errand and do the laundry. 用事を済ませて洗濯するために仕事を休んだ。I've got a huge pile of laundry to do today. 今日はたまった洗濯物の山を片付けないと。Laundries are clothes or linen that need to be washed or that have already been washed. Doing the laundry means to put them in the washing machine and wash them. In the United States, those machines are called washers and dryers. There are front-loading, top-loading, stackable, and combinations. The washer and dryer combos can wash the laundry, and after that, they can dry them. Certainly, it's a nice thing to have.